Wait lang, guys. Wala
Okay
pa
na,
rin?
Mili.
Oh my God, super late. Ay, okay. I-off ko yung, ko. Naglalag ako. Wait lang, guys. Aw,
Naka-live ka, no, sa YouTube?
naglalag, oo. Pero naglalag nga ata ako dahil doon. Kasi nag-share screen din ako tapos ang dami naka-open.
Naka-record naman yata dito eh.
I-record daw ni Arlene.
Huwag
Wait
ka na
lang,
mag-live sa
boys.
YouTube.
Yes. Wait lang. Pasensya na po kayo. Okay. Kita.
Yes, kita.
Okay. Next number.
Yes, next.
Pinanghihinaan na ng loob. Gusto ko ng blank. Ngunit ayaw pa ng puso. Oh. What's the answer? Oh my God.
Ito dapat kakantahin eh.
Alam nyo dapat to. Alam nyo dapat yan. Hindi ko alam yan.
Feeling ko pag dito kinanta, walang points.
Maganda nga yung pag may, pag kinanta talaga eh. Sabihin nyo pag may nakasagot na. Hindi ko kita yung teams.
Nickname muna. Nickname, lyrics, then title. Siguro na yung title. Nickname and then lyrics.
Yeah, lyrics na lang. Ay, may nakasagot na. Ayaw pa kumanta.
Ayan na, may tama na. Si Maps.
Wait, may nauna kanina. Okay.
The instruction.
Oh, yeah.
Next.
Next one. Ay, wait. There. Ay, ayan nga. Number 3.
Number 3. I heard that you're blank without me and hope it's true. Go. Go. I heard that. Yeah, correct. Correct si Bea. The answer.
Next one, number 4.
Yeah.
Ewan ko kung paano ko bibitbitin yung pagtingin ko kasi kung hanggang tingin lang ay blank. Ano ang sagot ninyo? Paano mapindot? Hindi ko alam. Taga ano siya? May rapper. Mga rapper ata to.
Oh, alam ni Bea. Itig. Yeah.
Tama.
Tama ka dyan.
Magaling si Bea. Next number. Nare-record nyo ba yung scores?
Yeah.
Yeah. Your turn.
Get a long list of ex-lovers. They'll tell you I'm blank because you know I love the players and you love the game. Nako, sobrang mga ano dyan. Ah, yes, tama si Lady Diane.
Black
Insane.
space.
Black.
Next. In this blank, it's just us. You know it's not the same as it was. Basic to basic.
Basic ay ang bit.
Muntikan ko na kantahin eh.
In this what?
Mga fan dyan ni Harry.
Directioners dyan, oh.
Yay.
Meron na?
Meron na si Bea.
Galing ni Bea. Number 7.
Number 7. Gusto niya kumain ko, Charis. I get so weak in the blank. I can hardly speak. I lose all control and something takes over me. In a day, your love's so amazing. Oh, go. Feeling ko nauna
Go,
si
kanina lang
Eman
kumanta
kasi,
mga be.
si Eman kasi yun yung nickname niya. Go 1 point for Eman.
Meron na?
Anong nickname yan?
1.
Number 8. Alam mo ba na hindi kita magugustuhan kung blank ang ugali mo? Kaya sinta, sana ay huwag ka nang magtaka kung ba't napaibig sa'yo. Oh. Yes, the song. Lyrics pala. Wala pa?
Meron na.
Meron na. Okay.
Si
Answer
Iman,
is
si Jericho.
pangit. Ang sagot, pangit. Number 10. Ay, 9.
9. I started blank. All the walls just to see if you like the shade. I would love just to be stuck to your side, not with anybody else. Go. Yeah.
Ako na si Bea.
Painting.
Palaban si Bea. Painting. 10. So confused. Wanna ask you if you love me, but I don't wanna seem so weak. Maybe I've been blank dreaming. Oh.
Kakantahin daw
Kakantahin.
to.
Medyo luma to, guys. Medyo.
May nakasagot na.
Answer is, yan. Sino nakatama?
Si Eliza Joy.
Okay. So, ayan, we're done with the Energizer. Oy, putik, wait lang. Magsisimula tayo kay Madam.
Sino yung 2 winners?
Yeah. Tama ba? Wait nga.
So, summary of scores. Si Bea, 4 points. Maps, 2 points. Lady, Eman, Jericho, tsaka si Ali, 1 point. So, panalo si Bea.
Sheesh.
Dalawa.
Okay.
Isa pa. Yung second place.
Second place si Maps, 2 points.
Uh.
2 points. Okay, ready na ba ang lahat?
Nanalo sila ng
Yes.
jacket ni Kuya Will kasi malamig.
Okay na.
Okay na.
Bea, sample nga nung last. Charis.
Yan na po.
Okay. So, yung first report namin is about braking systems and mechanism. So, meron tayong tinatawag na braking force, which is yun yung total amount of force exerted exerted on a moving body, which causes the body to stop or to slow down. So yung braking force na yon is kapag na-apply, it can stop the car or yung tinatawag nating rolling stock. And then yung force na yon it can be transmitted either through adhesion. Pag tinawag nating adhesion, it use of friction at the point where the wheels tsaka yung rails natin touches each other. O kaya naman, merong tinatawag na non-adhesion or yung hindi siya gumagamit ng friction. Yun lang yun. Pag adhesion, gumagamit siya ng friction dun sa wheels and sa rails. And yung non-adhesion, hindi siya gumagamit ng friction. So mostly of our rolling stocks nowadays, gumagamit ng adhesion braking methods. Yung mga non-adhesion ways naman, hindi gumagamit ng, yun nga, hindi siya gumagamit ng friction sa point where wheels touches the rails. And ito ay may kasamang mounting panel sa car para magkaroon ng air resistance or yung direktang pag-apply ng pressure from the wheels papunta dun sa riles to make it stop. Ayun, most of our rolling stocks braking systems use either electrical or mechanical brakes. Next. So, first topic that we will discuss under the braking systems and mechanisms is the mechanical braking systems. So, mechanical braking system, basic braking devices used by mechanical braking system is yung wheel tread brakes, axle mounted disc brakes, wheel mounted, tsaka yung carbon composite multi-disc. So sa mechanical, gumagamit lang siya ng mga disc or yung wheel tread para magkaroon ng brake. Next. So first type is yung wheel tread brake. The brake shoe applies friction to the wheel tread, creating a sliding effect. So sa wheel tread brake, yung brake shoe, kung nakikita nyo dyan sa may illustration, meron siyang air pressure dyan. So kapag na-apply yung air pressure, yung brake shoe na tinatawag natin is parang i-slow down niya or i-stop niya yung wheel. So, yun na yung parang simple concept ng wheel tread brake system. Brake system. And then yung next is axle mounted disc brakes. From the word itself, yung axle is naka-mount siya sa disc brake. So, meron ditong hydraulic or air pressure dun sa brake cylinder, then pinapagalaw nun yung brake lining. Then kapag yung brake lining is nag-touch na siya dun sa may mga brake disc, dun na yung magkakos ng stop dun sa axle naman. So yun, yung sabay-sabay na pagkakaroon ng air pressure dyan, yun yung nagkakos sa brake lining para mag-stop yung axle. So yung mga advantages yung axle mounted disc brake, which is reduction in wheel wears resulting the increase in wheel life. Kasi nga yung since hindi nga siya ginagamitan ng brake shoe or hindi siya direct sa wheel na apply yung brake, may tendency na yung wheel life is mapa-increase pa or hindi siya madalas pinapalitan, ganun. So mostly din ng mga high-speed trains, hindi sila gumagamit ng wheel tread kasi since yung brake shoe nga, pag mabilis yung trains natin, then brake shoe lang yung gagamitin mo. May tendency na mapudpod and hindi siya makapag-apply ng enough force para magkaroon ng brake. Ayun. Disadvantage ng axle mounted, frequent naman ng replacement ng brake disc. So kung sa wheel tread yung frequent ng replacement ng brake shoe kasi nga napupudpud yung brake shoe. Sa axle mounted naman yung brake disc naman yung frequent na pinapalitan. Critical maintenance due to fitment of electronic components. Next. So third is yung wheel-mounted disc brake are used on motor bogies that must accommodate the traction motor and have insufficient space for an axle-mounted brake. In both systems, compressed air or oil is applied to a brake cylinder that forces the brake lining against the disc. Brake discs are dead weight that are useful only during braking, so operators are keen to install lighter discs. So yung parang yung axle mounted tsaka wheel mounted disc brake, may typo diyan, brake dapat 'yan. Parang same lang sila ng concept nung axle mounted. Dun sa axle mounted nga lang yung naka-mount is axle, then dito naman yung naka-mount is yung wheel. So yung braking system niya is parang ganun lang din siya sa axle, may hydraulic or air pressure dun sa brake cylinder, and then papagalawin nun yung brake lining. And then yung brake lining, dun naman siya magta-touch sa wheel, hindi na siya dun sa disc. Ayun. Causing the train to stop. Next. And then yung last is carbon composite multi-disc. Has alternate sections of carbon fiber rotors and stators. During braking, they rub each other to create a frictional force that slows down the wheel or axle. The disc is lighter than conventional materials and has excellent heat-resistant properties. So dito naman sa carbon composite multi-disc, meron lang siyang rotors tsaka stators. Tapos nag-rub lang silang dalawa para mag-cause ng frictional force or to stop the car, charis. Ayun. So in addition, yung structure ng both axle tsaka ng wheel-mounted disc is same lang. Then mas okay siyang gamitin sa mga high-speed trains. Ayun. At kasi it has a lighter disc. Yun. Sa design niya may mga lighter disc lang. And then that ends my report. Thank you and God bless you all.
Okay, wait. And for the next reporter, wait lang po. Yeah, here.
After ng mechanical braking system, next is the electric braking system. So yun, next.
Yan.
So yun, electric braking system. Another braking system used by electric trains is electrical dynamic braking that converts the motor into braking generator, dissipating the kinetic energy as heat. The generative braking uses the generated electricity instead of dissipating it as heat and is becoming more common due to its ability to save energy. So yung electric braking system, so by the name itself, ginagamit siya usually sa mga electric na locomotives, sa EMU, multiple unit, tsaka sa diesel electric na trains. So, gumagamit siya ng dynamic braking. So, parang yung pag sinabi natin dynamic braking, ginagamitan yung traction motor, ginagamit yun as generator. Tapos, yun yung nagpapabagal ng vehicle to brake. So, doon na nagkakaroon ng braking. So, next slide. Next na ba? So, yun. Ito naman yung parang flow kung paano nag-work yung electric braking system. So, electricity flows through the circuit. Back be. Naka-speaker ka na.
Ay, nag-ano na naman, nagla-late na naman. Sorry.
So, ito yung flow kung paano nagwo-work yung brake sa isang electric braking system. So, electricity flows through the circuit and kinoconsume siya ng main resistor, tapos kino-convert yun ng kinetic energy of the chain sa heat, and yun na yung nag-act as a brake. So, sige, next mo na ba?
Ayan. Nag-next na ba?
Hindi pa sa akin.
Hindi pa. Oh my God.
Ayan na, okay na.
Okay.
So, another na characteristics ng electrical braking system, sinasabi na mas economical siya kasi hindi siya masyado gumagamit ng friction elements, unlike dun sa diniscuss kanina, which is the mechanical brake system. So, next.
Next. Yan. Wait mo lang pag wala pa.
So, yan. Ang problem naman sa electrical brake system, they occasionally malfunction because they have complex circuits. For this reason, they cannot be used as emergency brakes. So, di ba may mga emergency brakes? Yung, sa electric braking system, meron siyang complex circuits. Parang pag sinabi natin siyang complex circuits, yung hindi siya nare-reduce into single resistor, or yung single resistor, hindi siya nare-reduce into series or parallel. So, pagka ganon, ibig sabihin, complex circuit yung meron siya. So, hindi siya usually ginagamit as emergency brake. So, yun lang may meron sa electric braking system. So, next one is the braking commands.
Where can come...
Si Erica na.
Carry ka ba?
Command.
Okay. Dito na.
Yes. Ako na ba?
Yes, ma'am.
Balik muna sa unang slide,
Ay, sorry.
braking command.
Yan lang yung nasa...
Yan. Thanks. So, braking command, alam naman natin, pag nagbe-brake, dapat kung gagamitin, sabay mag-function sa kada car at the same moment sa pag-push mo ng brake. So, dapat may connection at timing sa kada brakes, sa kada cars that is controlled by either electrical command system or air command system. Next slide, please.
Wait mo lang pag hindi agad nag-ano. Baka naglalag lang.
Okay. Digital electric command system controls braking force by applying digital voltage through wires running the full length of train. So sa digital electric command system, ang mag-a-apply ng voltage na mag-run through wires sa kada cars para ma-apply yung brakes. Tapos yung digital electric command system, usually ginagamit siya sa mga bagong trains. Next.
Diyan na. Ano, wala pa.
Wala pa po.
Oh my God. Wait. Can I just restart the... Ano? Wait, restart ko lang saglit. Yung share.
See?
Bugging me. Sorry. Wait. Nandito na tayo na. Kita na.
As a whole, yeah, okay na. Air command system, ito yung command system na kung saan nagko-control ng air pressure in pipes that also run the full length of train. Usually tinatawag itong analog dispatcher system. Imbes na voltage, pressurized air ang nag-run sa pipes throughout the couches. Yung air command system, usually ginagamit sa mga trains na walang electric supplier like the DMUs. And in comparison, mas maganda syempre yung digital kasi yung response ng brakes sa full-length trains mabilis, unlike the analogs or the air command system. Next slide.
Wait mo lang.
Braking Control Unit
Ayun na
System or okay na po, VCU system. Nagko-control ng braking force sa pinaka-safe na level. Nag-a-adjust ito in accordance with the braking commands, which are the digital, either digital or air command, braking forces, number of passengers, and speed, etc. Next slide, please. Yan, makikita nyo yung diagram ng braking control unit system. Next slide.
Wait.
Important parts of brake system. Next slide. Next
Yan.
slide po. Ito yung
next na, Barney.
parang, okay na yan, okay.
Ayan.
Diagram ng pagko-connect ng mga parts ng brake system. Parang synthesis, systematics. Next slide.
Wait daw. Yan.
Compressor. The rule of the compressor is to compress the air, ensuring that it is pressurized sufficiently to a suitable pressure. Compressors are driven by a motor which they are directly coupled with. So, alam naman natin yung rule ng compressor o yung function ng compressor is to pressurize air that will be supplied to the brakes throughout the couches. Next slide. Governor. It is a part of the control system for the compressor. Makikita nyo yan sa picture, yung parang cylinder. May nose siya, nakakonect sa compressor. So, isa siyang safety device para makontrol yung compressor na magproproduce ng maraming compressed air. Controller siya ng compressor na once nag-exist yung compressed air, nag-open siya, nag-open yung switch, tapos pag nag-low level, or nasa tamang level lang yung compressed air na nilalabas ng compressor, nagko-close siya. Next slide. Pneumatic piping. Ito ay installed along all couches and train. So, ito yung dinadaanan ng compressed air sa buong train para mag-function, mag-function yung brakes. Naka-attach siya sa bogie. Yan. Makikita nyo sa picture. Next. Angle cocks. Located at the end of each couch and are used to cut off the supply of compressed air. Yung angle cocks, makikita siya sa kada end ng couches. Kung makikita nyo sa picture, parang may ano siya. Ganyan. Nilalagay siya para hindi mag-release ng compressed air. Kinakat niya yung supply ng compressed air. So usually ginagamit din ito sa maintenance para i-cut yung supply pag nagte-take place na yung maintenance activities. Next slide. Triple valve, commonly referred to as a distributor, as it is responsible for distributing the air pressure to the required airs depending on the demand from the driver. Di ba yung pipes dinadaanan ng air, ng compressed air, ito yung triple valves, ito yung nagde-distribute ng air pressure sa mga location na gustong paganahin ng piloto ng train. May connection ito sa brake pipes, auxiliary reservoir, and brake cylinder. Next slide. Air reservoir. Type of pressure vessel that stores compressed air, ensuring there is sufficient supply when demand is required. From the word reservoir, reserve ng compressed air sa isang pressurized compartment. Nakadepende yung air reservoir sa class ng train, pero normally, sa kada couch, may isang air reservoir para sa braking system. Next slide. Brake calipers, mounted on two brake hanger brackets and hold the brake pads. So, kinokontrol yung brake calipers ng brake actuators para mag-open and close. Makita niyo sa picture, nakamount siya sa gilid ng brake disc. wheels. Next slide. Brake actuators actuate the brake calipers to give a compressive force on the brake disc. So, ito yung nag-activate then ng air pressure, tas directly connected ito sa brake calipers. Next slide. Brake pads contained within the brake calipers and are made of cast iron and composite materials. So, brake pads are also called brake shoes. Nakalagay ang brake pad sa brake calipers na mag-convert ng kinetic energy ng umiikot na brake disc into thermal energy kapag na-compress. Ito yung parang tiga-stop ng wheel. Pakita nyo dyan sa picture, yung mga naka-red na oblong circle. Napakarami yan sa PNR. Usually, yan yung nire-request ng mga engineers. Next slide. Last important parts of the brake system is the brake disc, either bolted to the wheel or shrink-fitted on the axle. So habang tumatakbo yung train, yung brake disc, parehas lang siya ng
Maingay ba?
rotational
Hello?
ng
Hello?
wheel
Ah,
or
hello.
axle. So kapag
Sorry.
pinahihinaan yung takbo ng brake disc, humihina rin yung takbo ng train. Yun lamang po. Salamat.
Okay. And we're another energizer, guys. May prize din ulit to. So, sino nga ito na. Number 1. Sino? Uy, wait. Erica, hello? Erica's.
Calling Erica di makulangan.
Wala. Ikaw daw muna, te.
Okay. Nasabi na ba? So, number 1. Ganun ulit yung format, ha? Wait, sino ba nauna? Ang dami na nagsagot.
Kayo mag-decide. Ikaw muna.
Wait lang.
Dapat ba hindi ko muna pinakita?
Sorry.
My bad, my bad.
Wait. Pa-reveal na ng sagot.
Okay.
Fix you.
Midnight. Sunod tama
Nauna
si...
si ano. Midnight, ano yan? Si Kenneth nauna. Pa-score.
Okay
Si
na
Kenneth.
mag-score. Oh, number 2.
Number 2. At sa bawat minuto, ako'y blank. Ipilit mang iba, ako'y maghihintay sa'yo. Ah. Ah. Game na. Wait, wala atang nakakuha ng sagot sa 1.
Wait. Dapat daw may title, sabi ni D-Max.
Dayan, di
Ako'y
natuto.
blank.
Sorry.
Hindi ko na nag-get.
Ayan, nauna sa akin si Eman. Pa-reveal po. Sandali. 1 point na sa
Correct.
Eman.
Number 3.
Number 3. So don't call me baby, blank, you mean it. Don't tell me you need me if you don't, blank it. Paghiwalayin niyo yung dalawang sagot ng underscore. Underscore ba?
Yes. I don't.
Wait.
Ali.
Si Ali na una.
Pakita ko na.
Yes. Saan si Erica?
Next
B.
ka na.
Saan ka na, B? Yes.
Baka
Number ano na
kumakain.
to?
4 next. 4 yung.
Number 4.
Ayan.
Number 4. Sino nga siya, si Kagome, na may hawak na mahiwagang hiyas habang ako si Blank. Ako si Erica. Ayan na sinabi ko na yung sagot Taray. Kagome na siya.
Yung spelling wrong ata.
Inoya.
May konting nga dito, naingay na mga yan eh.
Nauna si Maps. 1 point si Maps. Tama ba,
Ingot
1?
ya siya. Thank you.
Ingot yan.
Eh.
Okay, next.
Next. Number 5.
You have blank my heart. Oh, never let it go. Oh, oh. No, never let it go. Oh, oh, oh. Oh. May kakanta ba? Pag may kakanta, 2 points agad yun
Dapat 5.
5 daw, sabi
Oo
ni
nga,
Madam.
5. Sabi ni Madam.
Parang
Koy, parang sure win na yun. Wala pa.
ano nangyari, sorry?
Clue
Clue.
daw,
Wala
sino
kang
kumanta?
sumasagot.
Twice.
You have my
Ano
heart.
to?
Hindi twice yung title. Retype. Retype map.
Angel stolen twice.
Dapat
So-
stolen the field. Go. Ayan. Kaya si Map.
Si Maps
I
na
have
una.
some points.
Okay, Maps. Next.
Next. Next, kailan kaya mahahalata ang blank sa ilalim ng iyong mga tawa? Taray, nakahalata. Game na.
Dapat alam
Wala
ko ni
pa ba?
Cloyd eh.
Kailan kaya mahahalata ang
Angel sa'yo.
walang apostrophe. Yun.
Hindi.
Wala ba?
Eman yung point.
Meron ba?
Pwede na yun sa'yo.
Wait lang. Search nyo nga. Sino Eman? Si Eman?
Mm-mm.
Si
Pakita ko
Eman.
na.
Yes.
Yes.
Muni-muni. Okay, next.
Number 7.
Ikaw lamang pipiliin talaga dahil mas gusto mong ano yan? Blank, blank, blank. O blank lang yan. Ikaw lamang pipiliin talaga dahil gusto
Mahaba
mong
ata.
manatili kahit na mahirap na. Okay, ano siya? 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 words.
Dami naman.
5 ba? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
6.
6 words pala. May N hyphen.
Ay,
Hindi by Q.
hindi ko alam tong song. Wait.
Na all pinili.
Ah. Okay.
Go, Bea, simulan mo na.
Ayan, may sumagot na.
Nasaan?
Si Ali. Check nyo nga.
May
Wait, wala
mali
pa sa
pa eh.
akin. Bakit sa akin wala? Ano to? Bias ba to? Ayan, okay na. Wala ang taray. Paano to gawin, Ali?
Ang alin.
Naka-ano siya?
Naka-italis.
Oo. Share naman dyan.
Tama?
Ali,
May nakatama na ba?
kay Sat.
May nakatama.
Ikaw lang. Means kay Ali yung points.
Sige,
Correct.
Ali.
Ikaw lang yung title.
Ikaw
Yan
lang,
ang
by
sagot.
Kyo.
Kyo. Next number.
Ano ba?
Ay, ako, hindi pa pala.
Number 8
Ay,
pa
ano
ata
ba?
eh. May number 8
Number
pa.
na nawala.
Number 8.
Nawala. Pasensya na kayo. Ano
Yarn.
napunta? Yan.
So if you really wanna know, when I'm away from you, I'm happier than ever. Blank, 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 blank. I
Oh,
wish it
humaba.
wasn't true.
Kumahaba na yung mga ano.
Clue. Kanta siya ni Billie Eilish.
Flexible ang font. Oo nga. No.
Oh. Haba.
6 words. B.
So,
I wish I could explain it better.
Yeah. Correct ka dyan, be.
Tama.
Yeah.
Happier, yeah, si Bea.
Yeah.
Bumukin ka.
Next. Dalawa na lang, galingan yun. Baka si
9.
Bea ulit makasungkit na ito ah. Tawagan mo ako pag wala ka na, bibigyan kita kahit ilan pa ang blank. Tawagan mo ako pag handa ka na, tawagan mo ako pag wala ka nang kasama sa inyo. Ano yan? Grabe, tatawagan pag walang kasama. Grabe ah. Sino nag-suggest na ito?
Oh, yun. So, tawagan mo ko.
Kay
Rap ba to?
Titi. Tama na si Titi Dayan.
10 sentences.
Bakit
Yan
wala
na.
akong makita?
It's fine.
Late siguro.
Gusto.
Nakamakita. Oh, no.
Next.
Reveal the answer.
Gusto.
Si Dayan.
Latina na.
Oh, last. Na, 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 na. Picture perfect, you don't need blank.
Oo, kinakanta.
Gorgeous, make and drop, dead, you're a killer shower. You with all my attention. Attention.
Attention.
2 words to ah. Gorgeous ba
Oh,
yun?
yeah.
Georgious.
Si
Georgious.
Angie.
Georgious yarn.
Sino nanalo, be?
Be, late yung ano ko, be.
Si Ali yung last one.
Ali, no filter intentions. Ayan.
Yeah, no, alter. Just, pakita ko na. Ayan. Rick. Oh. Sino
Summary
nakatama?
ng scores.
Oh.
Claire. Reveal it.
Sa akin, hindi ko kasi alam sino nanalo sa number 2 eh.
Oh, wait lang, guys.
Pero pinakamarami sa akin si Eliza, 3 points.
Dalawang winners, di ba? Una si Eliza, tapos si Max.
Yung next report.
Congrats! Pasend na lang ng
Ima.
Gcash later.
CR break daw muna.
Pwede ba yung 5 minutes, guys? CR break lang. Oh, pabalik tayo lahat. 19, balik tayo 7:50. Yeah. Oh, hi. Baka nasa CR pa yung iba to. Hello, andiyan na po ba kayo?
Game na.
Magsa-start na si Erica, guys.
So, yung sa'kin, about siya sa communication system sa loob ng train system natin. So, next slide. So, why communication systems is important in trains? So, alam naman natin na need 'to lalo na sa communication ng driver, ng other engineers, or ng mga passenger na nasa loob ng train. So, it is for smooth and efficient functioning of most modern transportation systems, especially railway. A reliable communication system is necessary. In metro and railway system, this become all more crucial due to the sheer number of components involved. So ano-ano nga ba yung mga components involved with this? Next slide. The alarm systems, the video surveillance, the intercom systems, the radio sets, display units, and also the ticketing. So ito yung mga ginagamitan ng communication system sa loob ng train. Next. So first is yung alarm systems. Smoke alarms, so ayun yung una. It save lives. Smoke alarms that are properly installed and maintained play a vital role in reducing fire deaths and injuries. So possible na magkaroon ng pagsabog or ng accident about fire sa loob ng train natin. So smoke spreads fast and you need smoke alarms to give you time to get out. So first step in protecting lives and property from these consequences, we need to set up fire alarms. So high quality fire alarm system. After installing it, it's important that to keep the system well maintained to make sure it's always working at its best. So ayan, mga alarm systems or yung mga smoke alarms sa loob ng trains. Kaya kung ano, titignan natin, di ba, bawal mag-smoking sa loob ng train natin.
Next na. Eh,
Next na.
yan.
So next is video surveillance or the CCTV. So it's also part of communication systems. So itong system na to, nagde-deliver siya ng online feed from the camera located at the locomotive, pwede rin sa rearward, pwede rin sa inside the train, sa driver's cab. So yung view niya para meron din naman sa labas para makita natin yung or ma-monitor natin yung nangyari kung may mabanggaman, halimbawa sa PNR. Hindi ko lang sure if may install tayo nito para makita ko sino yung may kasalanan, yung driver ba o yung tumawid. Pwede din sa loob ng train kung may nagkagulo, at least meron tayong CCTV for security and safety. Next is the intercom systems. So communication equipment designed for rolling stock. This equipment is used for emergency communications with passengers, train personnel, and engineers. Next. So sa intercom systems naman, etong nasa picture na 'to, which is the HJC speaker units. So kadalasan siya ginagamit sa mga transit rolling stock sa internal communication. May makikita tayo nito sa mga nag-OJT na, ma-observe natin 'to sa loob ng trains, yung parang may speaker or parang ayan yung mic yung tuldok-tuldok. So ito ay communication between passengers and driver or for signaling the driver. So, ang mga gamit nito is it has the ability to communicate with the driver, ability to signal the driver, ability to connect multiple units via Ethernet network to the passenger information system. So, kung may gusto kang i-announce sa loob ng train sa mga passengers gaya sa mga LRT, MRT, so ayan yung ginagamit, HJC speaker units. Next. Ito namang dalawang 'to, which is the emergency speaker unit NHJ25, 26, 27, and the loudspeaker unit HHJ23V and HHJ24V. So ano 'to, this is also for emergency communication between passengers, train personnels, which improves travel safety, especially in operations that that do not involve additional train crew personnel. So, kadalasan 'tong ginagamit lalo na kapag wala mga kasamang konduktor sa loob, yung driver lang tapos yung mga passenger. So, it has the ability to set up fixed communication with the train crew chief or the engineer, large activation button, which is ayun yung red.
Wait, nabalik. Sorry.
Tapos optional
Pindot.
external emergency brake activation, yan sa PNR meron yan sa loob ng train sets. And signalization of unit functionality and communication connection. Next. Next is the radio sets or the PAS, Public Address System. Etong sets na to are designed for use in rolling stock and for single-purpose motorized and electric units to provide sound in the passenger compartment. If needed, so yung kanina ano yon, from passenger to the train driver to the personnel to the engineers. Ito naman mula driver papuntang compartment ng mga passenger. So, pwede siyang compact, modular, or slim design. It is installed in a more ergonomically accessible location. Sets may be installed in locomotives, in service wagons, or in passenger carriages where they perform specific function. Next. So, ito yung mga radio sets. Ito yung telephone, tapos ito sa gitna yung parang yung connection, tapos ayan yung isa pa sa dulo. Next. So it deliver information to passengers, efficiently broadcast information via the onboard intercom speaker system. It also increase convenience for train personnel, connect calls from a single location to the engineer, nakakonect din siya sa main office or din sa main operations na room. Tapos yung last na pick ay yun yung compliant with UIC recommendation, applicable standards and regulations. Next. Ito naman mga display units naman siya. Ang example nito is yung mga information panels. Yung nakikita din natin sa PNR, sa mga LRT na gumagalaw ng mga letters. The monitors deliver text and visual information about line, route stops in location, schedule. Parang mga board lang siya na announcements na gumagalaw. The passenger informations, the enhanced passenger safety, and enhanced passenger comfort. Next. So, ito example, yung LED panels. Yan yung nakalagay sa PNR, Philippine National Railway, yung gumagalaw. LED-based information panels, external and internal configuration, fixed and rotating text. Pwede siyang fixed, pwedeng rotating. Tapos nag-display siya ng text characters or pictograms. Next. Ito naman yung LCD control or display monitors. Pwede siyang single or double-sided yung kabilaan. Selectable display size, pwede din kahit ano. Pwede rin siya sa ano siya for information siya and ano, advertisements, ganon. Tapos ability to source data from different sources. Next.
Ay, pause ka na.
Thank you.
So,
Okay
wait.
na yung sa akin. Angga, ikaw na.
Yeah, ako na. Okay, guys. Sa akin po yung last topic. It is about signaling system. So, ang una nating pag-uusapan ay kung paano nga ba ito nagsimula. So, yung pioneer ng signaling. So, back in the 1830s and 40s, yung very early days ng railway, wala pang fixed na signaling. So, bale, ang nangyayari noon, ano lang, parang magbe-base sa nakikita ng driver. On-site, bale, ang tawag, ang sabi. On-site. So, ang kaso naman, ang problema dito, masyadong maraming aksidente nangyayari noon nung on-site pa lang. Kasi naman, hindi naman mabilis mapatigil yung tren pag nakita mo na hindi siya katulad ng mga kotse na mabilis mapatigil, gano'n. At saka, ayun nga, hindi agad nakakatigil, eh, di ang nangyayari nababangga sila sa likod ng mga kasunod nilang train. Okay, next is so ang una nilang ginawa noon is nag-set sila ng time interval system. In the early days of railway, it was thought that it was the easiest way to increase the train driver's stopping distance was to impose time intervals between trains. So another term for this is the headway. Parang napag-aralan na natin 'tong headway. Ito yung magbibigay ng magse-set ng time bago paalisin yung kasunod na train. Ang kaso, nagkaroon din ng problema dito. Bale, kasi hindi naman kasi lahat ng train, 'di ba, parehas sila lagi ng takbo. So, lagi at laging magkakaroon ng problema yung mga train na yung isa puwedeng masiraan, masisira niya yung parang flow kasi 'di ba nga may set na time lagi. So 'pag nasiraan yung isa maapektuhan, parang domino effect na yun. Parang mapapatigil na rin yun kasi nga nasa iisang linya lang sila. Next is line capacity. Ito na yung wait. As they found they needed to run more trains, they gradually began to reduce the time between trains. As they reduced the time or headway, the number of trains per hour increased. So kung binawasan nila lalo yung headway, nung nakaraan nahihirapan na nga na may saktong time. Binawasan na nga yung headway, nag-equal to sa more accidents. So dito na papasok ang fixed signaling. The basic rule was to divide the track into sections or blocks na pag-usapan natin later and ensure that only one train was allowed in one section at one time. Each section is protected by a fixed signal placed at its entrance for display to the driver of an approaching train. So next natin ay distance signals. So parang additional to dun sa fixed signals na parang ilalagay siya a few more na medyo malayo dun sa signal para parang magiging siya, warning na may papalapit na block or section na kailangan nila maging wary sa signal, gano'n. Distant signals were placed in such a position that the driver could stop in time if the next stop signal was in danger. So yun nga, parang binibigyan sila ng ample time to stop for the next signal. So next natin ay interlocking. The interlocking was performed by a series of mechanically interacting rods connected to the signal operating levers in the signal box. Wait, I have niyan. Ito yung medyo hindi ko na elaborate, pero you can read that and I could then send the later. Or I can try to explain later. Ito na yung blocks or sections na sinabi ko kanina. So railways are provided with signaling primarily to ensure that there is always enough space between trains to allow a following train to stop before it hits the one in front. This is achieved by dividing each track into sections or blocks. Ito nga yung sabi ko kanina na bale parang ginagawa nila ng sections yung tracks natin. Bale, kung clear tong track na to, may separate signal siya saying na you could go or not. Tapos, saan ko yun nilagay? Wait lang. Ayun nga. Bale, yun na yung blocks. Parang ihihiwalay siya para mas madali for the drivers to know. And the track circuit, ito na yung medyo naging parang nag-level up na siya. Parang nowadays, for signaling purposes, trains are monitored automatically by means of track circuits. So, bale parang wait. Parang na sila sa tracks. Parang may sinasend na sila na signal through the tracks or like current or flow through the tracks. So yung flow na yun, pag naistorbo yung flow na yun by train wheels, pag naistorbo yung flow na yun by the train wheels, magsasend to ng signal para dun sa signs to stop. And it will, pag unoccupied naman or walang umistorbo sa flow na yun, it will show a sign na go or green. Yun yung dalawang types na to, block unoccupied or block occupied. So block unoccupied, pag hindi na-istorbo yung flow. Block occupied, pag na-istorbo yung flow sa rails. Next is multi-aspect signals. Okay, wait lang. The basic two-aspect red-green signal is fine for lower speed operation, but for anything over about 50 kilometers per hour, the driver of a train needs a warning of a red signal ahead to give him room to stop. So, bali parang may three signals. Wait, I have picture para madali. Tagalit. Nakikita niyo po ba? Guys, you see this? Can everyone answer? Wala, oh no. No one's seeing it. Okay, i-assume ko na lang na nakikita nyo. Okay. So, bali ito yung multi-signal baliktad. Multi-aspect signal. So, bale, mayroong isang signal in between the two. Bali siya ngayong warning. Ito yung parang evolve ng distance signals kanina. Na sinabi ko na may distance, ilalagay siya a few, na may onting distance from the signal na sunod niya. Whatever. So, bali parang it will give the next train enough time to stop. Lalo na if he's going too fast. Ganon. And, ayan. At next natin is, next nito ay, papakita ko rin yung picture. Eto, basahin ko muna. It works similarly to the three-aspect system except that two warnings are provided before a red signal. A double yellow and a single yellow. So, ito yung kaniyang picture. Okay. So, ayan. Bale, katulad nga nung kanina, pero this time, dalawa na yung warning sign. So, pag itong dalawa, ibig sabihin, dalawang blocks pa yung pagitan ng train. Kita nyo itong dalawang yellow, dalawang blocks pa yung pagitan, ibig sabihin. So, ayun nga, this will be very useful, lalo na kung yung train ay sobrang bilis ng takbo at mabibigyan na ng enough time to stop and avoid accidents. Yeah. And the last one, a state braking distance or the overlap. In its simplest form, the overlap is a distance allowed for the train to stop and it should pass a signal showing a stop aspect. It is provided by positioning the signal some way before the entrance to the section it is protecting. So, ayan nga, tulad yung nung pinakita ko kanina sa mga aspect signals, yung magbibigay dapat ng safe braking distance. Ito nga yung dalawang blocks at yung sunod ay tatlo. Hindi. Depende pala. Basta ang point is, dapat may enough distance yung train sa susunod na train para maiwasan yung mga aksidente. And yun lang po ang aking part ng report. Bale, tapos na po ang report namin. And yung mga nanalo na lang po siguro sa kanina ay, sino ba? Sige, message nyo na lang ako or si Dima Kulangan for your numbers or whatever. Thank you po.
Angge,
Yo.
screenshot ng attendance.
Naka-on cam or?
On cam.
Sige. On cam na kayo. Wait lang. Ready na? Ang dami pang wala. Oh my God. Ay. Pwede na ba yan? Yan. Okay. It's screenshot ko na. 1, 2, 3. Okay na po.